Magkwentuhan na tayo ngayon. One time I had a prospect who asked me, bakit nag-advise ka for free? Ano ang purpose mo? I told that person I want to educate people because I was once ignorant about finances. I got scammed too, different time. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, ayoko nang maulit pa ito. Thankfully, I just lost some of my savings. Paano na lang kaya kung nawala lahat? At ayokong maranasan niyo yon. That's why I share what I've known. As a financial advisor, our mission is to spread financial awareness. We want to educate every Filipino about the importance of financial literacy. So, baka sabihin yung, sayang oras mo, Sil. Wala pa naman akong pang-start dyan. Actually, hindi po. Walang oras na masasayang kapag nag-e-educate kami ng tao. Hindi ka man mag-avail ngayon, at least may nalaman ka na. And it always matters. Payo ko lang, dun ka na po mag-invest sa legit. Huwag mo akong gayahin. For more videos and information, please visit and follow my page, Miss Pecuniary Wise. At ako si Sil Sisikan at nagpapaalalang huwag mahiyang magtanong, just send me a message.